Crafter's Companion has a very fun paper pad. As you can see, there are 48 sheets. These are all 12 by 12. They are single-sided. Now, with these, let me just show you all of the different colors and patterns you will receive. You're going to get 3 each of 16 different designs. So let me just go right through them. And you can see that there's snowflakes, there's just candy canes, just so many things, and all over patterns on all of them. And blue, there are little tiny dots in that, candy canes and stripes. There's going to be another stripe in a minute. Stars, and there's the other stripe. This linen I just really love. It's really pretty. More stars, and we've got some holly and bows, and this is the last one. So as I said, there are 3 each of all of them in this 48 sheet collection.